I think we're ready to start. Stop looking at the trees. I know they're pretty. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Hi guys, thanks for joining us today as we put sounds together to make words. So our first word is b-a-t. Maybe slow down a little bit, okay? B-a-t. One more time. B-a-t. What do you think our word is? Did you say bat? I know you knew. D-a-k. Again, please. D-a-k. One more time. D-a-k. Okay, what's our word? Did you say duck? You're so silly today. I know you know the words. I'm showing them to you. Okay, here we go. O-E-D. Again. O-E-D. One more time. O-E-D. What's our word? Lid. Lid. Okay, now we have T-E-N. Again. T-E-N. One more time. T-E-N. What do you think the word is? Did you say 10? Now we have G-R-O. Again, please. G-R-O. One more time. G-R-O. Okay, what's our word? Did you guess girl? And our last one, okay? B-E-D. Again. B-E-D. One more time. B-E-D. Okay, what's our word? Did you say bed? Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Hope you had fun.